Alright, let's see if I remember. Okay, can't even talk. It's a good start. I was trying to see if I remember how to do this, because this is my first time recording a video since November of last year, so finally back making a normal motovlog. What is up? This is gonna be the first motovlog that I'm recording in 2023. Not that I upload, because I had some saved up and stuff, fortunately, so I didn't really have a big gap where I didn't upload. It's gonna be a little bit until you see this one. It's currently February 23rd at the time of recording, but I still have 2 videos from last year to upload, so I'll have those 2 and then this one, and I don't know how big of a gap it's gonna be until I get to ride again, just because this weather's super rare, but it's very nice today. So I'm gonna go meet up with Anna on her R6, and we're gonna go for a ride. We only have about an hour because she has somewhere to be, and I have work tonight. But I'm not sure if you've noticed. I hope it's a big difference. Like, I hope it's noticeable. But got a new GoPro. This is the Hero 8, so much newer, because I was using a Hero 3. So hopefully the video is going to be much better quality and look much better. I'm anxious to see how it turns out. I think it'll look a lot better. I also got a new visor mirrored so that you can't really see me, which is nice. And I've already forgotten how to talk. So I did black out the rest of my bike, as you can see, which I did a video on. Oh, that's what I wanted to say. This Hero 8 is nice because it's got a screen that I can see right now. It's got a screen back here that I can see when I first start recording. It shows like what's on the camera, which I thought, okay, that's nice because I can see like what your guys' view is roughly. So I thought, okay, that's good. Damn, I missed that. But then I got worried because I was like, that's going to distract me, because severe ADHD, I'm going to be staring at that and I'm going to wreck or something, do something dumb. But luckily, after like 10-15 seconds of recording, it just goes black. But it's still, that red light's still blinking, so I know it's recording, but it's not showing me the screen, which is nice because that's not going to distract me. So I'm pretty excited about that. And I'm glad I got the new this one. I know it's not the newest, but it's much newer than what I had, so I'm pretty excited about it. And if you can't tell, I really missed riding with the way I'm going. I did ride about a week ago. I did ride, but that was simply to go to where I work on my bikes. I changed my oil out because it was really bad, and I did chain maintenance. I couldn't think of what I did. I lubed up the chain and cleaned it. So we got that taken care of. I still really need to bleed the brakes. It's bad. I bought new brake fluid, but I don't have a bleeder hose. So that's the last thing I need to do. Oh, I'm also going to take apart the calipers and stuff, clean them out, lube them back up. So just a little bit more of TLC. But other than that, the bike should be good. It did fall over again. It got blown over by the wind, and this time it was leaking gas out of the cap. So I was pretty upset about that, but it could have been worse, so I'm not too mad. I'm just in a really good mood right now, because I did something earlier today that hopefully goes well. Hopefully isn't another waste of time, but I did something. It's very nice out and you get your riding, so I'm pretty excited. I think for this video, what I have planned is to like put together a cool intro for like start of the year, like for 2023. Just like show off some of the stuff that'll be on the channel. Like I have a Project Mustang right now. I still have the Ninja 650 for right now. It's like show off, do like a little showcase, I guess, of what to expect for this year. And do like some cool special intro since it'll be the first one of the year. I'm not sure how much I'll do, like put into that, but I might. Oh, we're gonna die. Just kidding. This guy has a ride clutch sticker on his truck. But, oh, fuck ride clutch. They're the ones that, fuck them, I think. So, fuck them. She spent like $100 to get entered in a giveaway and they didn't send her anything. That, like, she bought $100 worth of stuff and got nothing. And now the site doesn't exist. So, if I'm correct and it's ride clutch, fuck them. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna have to cut this part out. I also just remembered I'm supposed to swear a lot less because of YouTube. So, I'm gonna have to work on that. But yeah, I might do like a special intro for this video. Might not. Do you want to get in our lane? Can you maybe get off of the yellow line? There you go. That's better. Yeah, that's better. But yeah, I'm very excited for this year. Nice car. Some stuff might be happening. Other stuff won't be happening that I thought was. So I'll either get a lot out this year or, yeah, I should. Next year, I'm not sure yet. Too soon to tell. But yeah, I'm excited. I want to make a lot of videos. I'm hoping the quality is going to be much better. Like I said, now I got this new GoPro. So hopefully they'll look a lot better. The channel has grown a good bit since the last time I've recorded. Last time I looked, we were at 462 subs now. So welcome to all the new people. Thank you for subscribing. Can't say the word properly. Subscribing. There we go. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy. And I hope we continue to grow. Could you please... Oh, man. And she's not here yet. Which is fine. So, I will show the bike off. Because why not? 208 already. So this is what it looks like now that I blacked it out. It's not a whole lot different, but I blacked out the rear sets, passenger pegs, gas cap. I'm probably gonna have to redo this one. I didn't do these. I did these like a year ago, and I didn't take them off to redo them. I'll probably have to redo these too. I blacked this out, so I think it looks nicer. This is the one that fell and broke, so thanks, shout out to the wind for that one. Appreciate it. Oh, I forgot to put... I also got Muscle Moto stickers for the Instagram and the channel. I forgot to put on. Might do a giveaway for those. If you guys are interested, let me know. If anybody wants some. I still need new tires. But yeah, this is what it looks like now. Blacked out. Where's the... Yeah, you can see how bad I need to replace that. That's really bad. So I'm going to have to buy a bleeder hose and get that taken care of. But I'll put my Muscle Moto stickers up here once I clean this off. And that's a dude. Also sprayed it with some degreaser. I made a reel about how bad that was. I cleaned it up some. Chain looks nice. Yeah, I'm just excited to be riding right now, even though I don't have too much time. And I'm glad to be making videos again.